How to fix Instagram Reels save option not showing easily and fast. Hello guys, so if you want to fix this problem, this video is gonna help you a lot. So all what you have to do guys is very simple. First thing, open your settings, go to apps, and then click on Instagram app right here. And then you have to click on this force stop to stop running the app in the background of your phone. And then click on the notifications management. Make sure that all the notifications are enabled. Go back, click on permissions, make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Click on the data usage and do the same thing, make sure everything is enabled. And last thing you want to do now is open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, and make sure to update your Instagram, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the end.